Question number 4 from motion in straight line. Particle moves in a straight line with uniform acceleration. Its velocity at time t equal 0 is v1. That is initial velocity. Let initial velocity. Initial velocity always at t equal 0, starting position. U is v1. So average velocity given, average velocity of particle v1 plus v2 by 2. So here take average acceleration. A average. That is equal to, at t equal to 0, velocity is v1. At t is equal to, after some time, velocity is v2. Change in velocity with respect to time, that is average velocity can be written as v2 minus v1 by t minus 0. So what is average acceleration? That is v2 minus v1 by t. Let distance traveled, displacement is s. Now apply again, s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to s1. Initial velocity v1 according to given data only. T plus half average acceleration, that is v2 minus v1 by t into t square. Now tt gets cancelled. So you can write S is equal to v1t plus half into v2 minus v1t. Solve this. S is equal to v1t plus 1 by 2 v2t, just expand, minus 1 by 2 v1t. Now v1t minus 1 by 2 v1t. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 v1t plus 1 by 2 v2t. Now S is equal to t common, v1 by 2 plus v2 by 2 into t. That is nothing but v1 plus v2 by 2 into t. The average velocity of the particle in this time interval given as v1 plus v2 by 2. So S is equal, we got v1 plus v2 by 2. This is nothing but S for displacement. What is v1 plus v2 by 2? That is average velocity into t for time. Right? So we got the true relation. Displacement is equal to average velocity into time. It is always a true relation. Where the third step means from left side third or right side third. Just we are expanding. Right? Yes, we are expanding 1 by 2 v2t minus 1 by 2 v1t. Here it is v1t, here it is minus 1 by 2 v1t. v1t minus 1 by 2 v1t. 1 minus 1 by 2 simply. v1t out, 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only. So that gives v1t by 2. That is 1 by 2 v1t. Is it clear now? Okay. Now t common, v1 by 2 plus v2 by 2. S is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2 t. So displacement is equal to average velocity into time. This is exactly perfect relation. The average velocity of the particle also given as v1 plus v2 by 2. Okay. So is this correct and no? So according to the concept, this is a perfect true relation. Displacement is equal to average velocity into time, which is true relation. That implies given concept is true. That implies given concept is true. Justify your answer. Yes, already it is justified. Why? Because we got standard relation by using this. S equal v1 plus v2 by 2, where first velocity v1, second velocity v2, and v1 plus v2 by 2, average velocity. Displacement is equal. And there distance is equal speed into time. Displacement is equal velocity into time. Average velocity. Exactly correct. Justify your answer. Anything extra already it is proved. This is true relation only. So this is fourth question from motion in straight line.